Hi guys, this is Krishna. Uh, I got selected in RTS Corp Private Limited through college placements. So as if I joined, they have sent me this goodie box, and today I'm going to do unboxing video of that. Okay, let me start without wasting the time. Oh, they have sent me this much big package. Actually, I collected from the college. They sent me. Okay. Oh, it's a Dell. It's a laptop bag from Dell, and oh, they have sent me Melton thermostyle hot and cold. Yeah, it's a flask. Okay, and oh, wow, it's a Melton flask I got. And I'll send it something box. Yeah. Let me open this. It's a mug from RTS Provab. Yeah, send it me this cup. And one general diary from RTS. And one pilot pen. And what is this? Photo frame. It's really nice. There also they mentioned the company name here. And finally, laptop which I got here. So it's a huge box, and yeah, they have mentioned my name here. You can see here, and it's a Dell laptop, and yeah, it's really good. Let me open this. It's a Dell Latitude 3420 laptop I got. This one. It's really thin, and it's basically a office laptop which I got. And there is the warranty card. Everything is there here, and got charger here itself. And just check with the warranty card. Everything is available in the box, because something is missing means you can return it back, or else you want to claim that regarding if anything happens for the laptop. So be aware of that. And for this setting and all, the technical team will call me up very soon, and they're gonna fix this regarding the password and all. They haven't mentioned anything here. So after the got a call, they are going to fix this, and everything will be installed regarding the company softwares and all. So that's all, guys. I'm really happy that I got many goodies. Flask. This is actually very good. The mug of the TS company, and this photo frame and a diary. Yeah, that's cool. Thank you, guys.